I'm done with trading. I'm not going to be trading this year anymore, which means the next time that I'm going to be trading will be the next year. So in this video, I only want to cover 2 points. Number one, why you should not trade in December, which is this month. Number two, since you won't be trading in December, what should you do during this 1 month so that you can improve yourself and become a better trader so that you can make more money trading? Let's first start off with why you should not trade in December. That is a reason why I tell you guys that I'm done trading this year, right? I'm not going to be taking a single live trade anymore this year. Let's go to the charts so that I can show you why. So if you look at this, from this period onwards, this is December, all right? Just take a look. This is what price is doing during December. And then this is November, okay? Price is trending. And then November price is trending, and then October price is trending, and September price is going up. I mean going down, right? It's a very smooth, nice trending market, trending market, trending market, trending market, trending market. And then you see in December, what a shit show. Price is just going sideways, not really going anywhere, doesn't really present any opportunity for you to trade. Why does this happen? Because you have to understand, in December, liquidity is low because the big boys, the big banks, they are taking a break from the markets. That means they are somewhere out in Hawaii, sitting on a beach, resting, reading their newspaper with a mojito in their lap, just chilling there with their family. Right? They are taking a break from the markets. Since the big boys are taking a break from the markets, there's going to be much lesser liquidity because there's not going to be as much trading volume driving the market anymore. So that's one reason why like the market is not like very good to trade in December. And another reason could be it's December. It's literally the festive season. Christmas is coming and everyone, or rather most traders, are going to use this time to take it as a holiday and spend more time with their loved ones, spend more time with their family. Because the last thing you want to do is to trade on Christmas. Why would you trade on that one day where you can spend it with your family? So basically, during December, liquidity is low. That means there will be very less, or rather not much good trading opportunities because the market will be going sideways, not really trending, and you will just lose money if you trade in December, or rather you won't make as much money compared to the last few months, right? I'm not asking you to completely stop trading in December. You can still trade in December if you want, but I would recommend you to use this month to do the next 5 things that I'm about to show you. Now, since you are not going to be trading in December, what should you do in this month instead? Like, how can you become a better trader if you are not trading, if you are not practicing on the charts? Here's what you should do instead. Number one, if you notice, I put it as number one, all right? That means that's the most important thing that you must do in December is to spend time with your loved ones, okay? Spend time with your family, your girlfriend, your boyfriend, your brother, your sister, your cousin, your grandmother, your father, your grandfather, whatever. Spend time with them. Chances are, if you're anything like me, you've been grinding for the first half of this year, the entire year, you have been working at your job, hard at your job, working on your business, studying, trading, learning trading, doing everything you can to make money, right? Now is the perfect time to go take a step back and just like relax so they can really spend time with your loved ones. Remember, why are you even working so hard for? There's only one reason, or rather, I don't know about you, but the one reason why I'm working so hard for is because of my family. And if I'm working so hard, I'm not going to be spending as much time with them as I could be. So this 1 month, use this time, use this precious 1 month to go spend more time with your loved ones. Maybe bring them out for a dinner, right? Or even go to a nice park, go for a walk with them, go travel overseas with them, go to the place that you always want to visit with them, and just like make sure you spend some time with your loved ones because ultimately at the end of the day, Family is all that matters, all right? Your friends will leave you, you will change your friends, you will change your girlfriend, you will change your boyfriend, but one thing that's not going to change is your family. And I want all my tribe members to not just be good traders, but good humans with great character. And a good human with great character will spend time with their family and their loved ones. So like I said, that's number one, right? That's number one. That's the most important thing that you must do. If you don't do this, forget about the other few things that you should do. All right. Number two is to revise trading. All right. What do I mean by revise trading? Chances are, if you're watching this, you already kind of know how to trade, right? You know how to trade, you know the basics. Now is the time to put your ego aside and go refresh and get like just revise on your fundamentals. Like, oh my god, like support and resistance, trend lines, or trading strategy, intraday trading, scalping, swing trading. Just use this time to go study your notes, go review your trading notes on your notebook, go re-watch my trading videos on my YouTube channel, go watch the free trading courses, go watch the unfiltered trading episodes again, just so that you can refresh your mind on trading, so that you don't actually like forget how to trade after this 1 month have ended. So use this time to learn more about trading. Okay, put your ego aside. Remember, it doesn't matter if you are a fucking beginner or a complete expert who knows everything about trading. It doesn't matter who you are. There is always something out there to learn from the market. All right, you can never ever like 100% master the markets. So use this time to go out there and read books, watch trading videos, go watch your trading courses, and just use this time to just like test out your trading strategy, whatever. Which brings me to the third point, is to back test your trading strategy, right? So chances are, if you have found your trading strategy, you should backtest it first, right? And since we are not going to be trading this month, what you can do is to go on to TradingView, use the bar replay tool, and just like go backtest your trading strategy. Go see whether it works, all right? And trade on demo account if you want, all this stuff, right? Backtest that trading strategy before you trade it on your live account. Very, very important. The next thing you can do is to reflect and think. Reflect and think. What are the goals that you set for yourself at the start of this year? For me, it was to hit 100,000 subscribers, and I did it. Another one of my goals is to make 6 figures from trading this year, and I did it. So take some time out to go review your goals, see whether you achieve your goals, or if you did not achieve your goal, what you can do next year that will help you to achieve your goals. And then also make sure you go through your trading journal, because if you have been watching my videos and you actually apply what I say in these videos, one of them is to have a trading journal and journal down all your mistakes. And if you have done that, use this month to go through all the mistakes, go review your trading journal, see like what mistakes that you made and what solution is there to the mistake. Oh, I over traded last month, so my solution is to set a profit target or a loss target every single week, and when I hit that target, I will not be trading anymore. So okay, go remember that, and then just like go review your trading journal and stuff, right? And also, if you can, what you can do right now is to really sit down there with a notebook or something and just stare at the wall. Literally, that's all you need to do. Stare at the wall, and automatically your thoughts will start to come to you, and just think about, oh, what you can do to become a much better trader, what you can do to become a much more disciplined trader, and some of the mistakes that you always make yourself, and like just sit there and let all the demons come in telling you that all your mistakes as a trader and what you can do to improve as a trader. Basically just reflect and think. Okay, there is no like right structure that I can give you that will tell you that, oh, you must think about this. No, like literally there's no right or wrong answer. All you need to do is just like be mindful, be present, sit there and reflect about how your trading performance was during this entire year, whether you really did your best in trying to learn everything you can to master trading, and you really did your best to become more disciplined. Because I'm pretty sure that you are still not super duper disciplined yet, and you can be much more disciplined. So take this time out and just reflect and think. And after you have done all these things, spend time with loved ones, revise trading, backtest your trading strategy, reflect and think, then that is when you can finally reward yourself. Okay, so for me, I literally spent like a lot of money recently just going on Shopee or going online shopping and just like buy whatever I want. Oh, I like this clothes. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna get it. I like this thing. I'm gonna get it. I like this notebook. I'm gonna buy it. And I like this laptop stand. I'm gonna get it. Basically, just like reward yourself. Okay, if chances are you've been working very very hard, and it's okay if you did not make money. All right, it's okay if you did not make money. The thing is, as long as you are becoming more and more disciplined, as long as you are improving yourself as a trader every single day, 1% better every single day, that itself is counted as an improvement, and you should reward yourself because of that. So what I would advise you to do is to go out there, reward yourself, just maybe like withdraw some of the profits that you made from your trading account and just buy the things that you like. It could be as simple as like treating your family to a nice dinner, or buying a Christmas tree to put in your house, or buying an OnlyFans subscription, even though I would advise you not to do that. Yeah, I just like simple things, like just go out there and reward yourself. Okay, treat yourself to the nice vacation that you've always wanted to go but you could not. Do not just focus on trying to compound your trading account to $100,000. No, no, no. Withdraw some profits and go out there and reward yourself, so that this will actually like motivate you to want to continue to push on to become a better trader. Because if all you did was to save that money inside your trading account and try to compound it, at some point of time you're gonna burn out and you're gonna be sick of what you are doing, because there is no like motivation, and there's no like positive loop cycle, whatever it is called, to like motivate you to push even further. So take out some profits and go reward yourself. So those are the 5 things that will help to improve your trading in December. So for me, what am I going to be doing? I'm going to be doing the exact same 5 things, but there's 2 external factors, or rather 2 extra things that I'm going to be doing. Number 1 is to coach, or wait, no, not number 1. Number 6 is to coach my students, right? If you guys did not know, I've recently accepted 20 more new students into my mentorship program, 22 to be exact. 22 more new students to my mentorship program, and I've been coaching them for like the last week. So this week, or rather today, I'm going to be going through my second lesson with my students. They are all amazing people who have came here with an open mind to learn. All right, I'm going to be coaching them. I'm going to be teaching them what it takes to become a successful trader and everything they need to know about trading. And today, if I'm not wrong, I'm going to be teaching them my own trading strategy, right? How I analyze the charts, all that stuff. If you are interested to get coached by me, I'm sorry to say, but there's no more slots for this month. So this is like the last mentorship intake for this year. So what you can do is to wait for the next intake, right? I'll probably accept another 20 students next year, sometime next year. And when I do so, I will update you guys on either the Telegram chat or the Discord or my Instagram page. So make sure you go join all of them. Follow all of them for more updates on the mentorship intake, because those are the top 3 places where I'm going to pump down the intake. All right, when I decided to accept 20 new students, those are the 3 places that I'm going to announce first. The 7th thing I'm going to be doing is to reward my team with Christmas bonuses. My team has been working super hard to make these amazing videos for you guys. If you guys do not know, these high quality trading videos are not just done by me alone. I have thumbnail editor, I have a video editor, and they all help me to create this amazing content. So I'm going to reward them, because without them, I'm not going to be where I am today. The trading gig won't grow so fast. So I'm going to be rewarding them with Christmas bonuses, give them a little bit of extra salary, right? So that it can like kind of motivate them to work even harder for me next year. If you're still watching this video, that means you really enjoy the unfiltered trading episodes. So if you want more unfiltered trading episodes just like this one, go comment down below and let me know. Alright, just let me know, guys. If you guys enjoy more of these episodes, I'm gonna make more of these videos. So comment down below. And also smash that like button and hit on that subscribe button to become part of our tribe and our movement. And click on this video next that YouTube is recommending you to watch. You definitely do not want to miss it out, sir. And remember, you are just one trade away. Mwah.